about y'all, but I like Costco vlogs where big families do grocery hauls. So we just started going to Costco this past summer. So I wanted to film our first Costco trip and hopefully film a grocery haul. It's been a while, so I hope y'all enjoy. Don't drop it. What is a Costco trip without pizza? The last 3 months, my Lord's house has been utilizing our Costco membership. Now we got a Costco membership like this past summer, but honestly we forgot we had it. So these last 3 months we've been really trying to go and stock up on our groceries, our stockpile and all that, and it honestly saves so much money when you go to places like Costco and Sam's Club. Sorry if y'all hear Finny in the background. He doesn't want to leave mommy, so I'm just gonna let him sit here while I record. But we had gotten some things for our stockpile. We also got some things that the kids go through quite a bit in a month, and I just wanted to go there. That way we can save some coins because they had some really good deals. And honestly, we didn't get everything we needed. We really only got the things that seemed like they had a good price on them. So what we did get, it's quite a bit. Not a lot. Not those crazy $1,000 Costco hauls. We really only got what I thought we needed and what my Lord thought we needed too. So yeah. So let's see. Okay, so some items that I thought were important to get. The first one I'm going to point out is apple cider vinegar. Stuff here. Okay, so I wanted to get a big bottle of apple cider vinegar. This is actually distilled white vinegar. Usually I do either apple cider or white vinegar because I use this to clean meat, to clean fruit, and I feel like I go through it super duper fast. So these are one of the items that I got. My Lord loves orange juice, so we found a good deal on these. I forgot the price. I'll have to look at the price tag, but it was 2 of them, and it's some organic pasteurized orange juice. So this is always good to have, especially during these Corona times. So we also got some fruit. I don't know what it is, but something about something about Costco's fresh fruit. Like, I don't know what it is. It seems like it's just fresher. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but I got some organic bananas. We got some organic kiwis. The kids love kiwi, and I also like kiwi. So I got some of those. And we got some clementine mandarins. I like to just try to, I don't know, I like to try to put fruit in the kids' meals. Every time they have a meal, I want to put at least some type of fruit in it. Because sometimes, you know, kids, they eat a lot of starches and stuff. So I thought, what is this wet? I thought fruit was good. Oh no, what if it probably got smashed? So I wanted to get some, oh, that's nasty. Let's get that wiped up. Okay, so we got the clementines, like I just said. I also found some candy snap grapes. I mean, these are not the healthiest of the grapes, and these are not seeded grapes, but they're still, like I said, they're still good to put in the kids' dinners, to put in their lunches and stuff like that, just to have some. So, yeah, so we got some grapes. I also got some, just going through our fruit. I like to get packaged fruit. No, these are not always the best, but they're good for Sabbath lunches when going to the school. They're also just good to where if you're just out and about and you need something to take with you in your bag. Yeah, I like to take stuff like this. The kids love the Go-Go Squeeze applesauces. I'm not a fan of them, but hey, potato salad, I don't know, they taste grainy to me, but they like them, so hey, they're better than the other pouches. So I got these in apple strawberry, apple banana, apple cinnamon, apple. Shalom. Okay, so he won't let me get nothing done, but I also got some of these. Y'all, Passover time's coming up. These are, what's it called? Polymers. They call something else too. Lamat is something, I forgot. But these, y'all, are really good because they're unleavened. No leaven. They're like little cookies. You can eat them with, like if you don't have time to make some unleavened bread, these are unleavened. So I recommend checking your local Costco. You can see, yeah, these are really good. They also have another one, but be careful. Check. Those have leavening in them. Those have leavening in them. So just check for this one. We got some yummy oatmeal, which is Finney's favorite. Can you tell? I don't know if y'all saw one of my vlogs where Mishi loved oatmeal, but Finney is an oatmeal fan now. So we got a 52-pack box of oatmeal. Yeah, grapes. We also got some cream cheese for those who bake unleavened bread. They had a really good deal. I think it was like $6 for a 6-pack of cream cheese for unleavened bread. I also got a big 4-pack of unsalted butter for my unleavened bread. I got some organic spring mix. I'm going to be making salads for my Lord's lunch during the week, so I got some spring mix. I also, these seasonings are actually for my Lord. My Lord likes to grill. I don't know if y'all can see them. Okay, so I hope you can see now, but I got my Lord got some seasonings for grilling, but these are also good to get for your stockpile. Look how big these seasonings are, and they had a pretty good deal. I know, did we get smoked paprika? I thought we got smoked paprika, but maybe we didn't. But they had a really good deal for smoked paprika, which is hard to come by sometimes. Oh, can you even see me? Which is hard to come by sometimes. So it was like $3 for a really big, it's about this big. Yeah, so we got some of that. And then also, I like to use the ranch seasoning for my pot roast. Y'all, you gotta try ranch seasoning in your pot roast. It's a game changer, I promise you. What else? Oh, we had a few packs of chicken. So we got some chicken. Yeah, but it's raw. We don't eat it like this. We got some hearty chicken wings. We also got a pack of chicken thighs and some chicken breasts. Most of the breasts I'm gonna cut up to put in the salads, but we'll probably have the other chicken for like meals or meal prep and stuff like that. Another thing I got that the kids already opened was some chocolate milk. We've never really given our kids regular milk. They've always had almond milk or oat milk, but I'm noticing they need a little more calcium in their diet, so we decided to get some chocolate milk as a treat since they don't really drink, milk like that. I got me some whipped cream because I like to use this for my coffee. That's a treat for me. A really nice iced coffee in my day is self-love, self-care for me. Okay, so yes, and I love to put whipped cream on mine. You'll see back here we got some of the ice drinks. I don't really drink pop like that, or a lot of juice. So I either drink water, tea, and I like to get these for if I need like a pop fix. Okay. We got some Honest juice boxes for the kids. They usually love juice boxes. We had those for our Sabbath lunches. Okay, Finney's tearing up everything now, so we got to make this quick. We got some Honest juice boxes for the kids for Sabbath lunch. Finney, what are you doing? He's pulling all the dishes out of the bottom of the cabinet. So we're going to make this snappy. Finney, no. You're not toys, honey. Okay, so we got these for the Sabbath lunches. Those are also just to help out when I need to just have something in the bag with me so they don't ask for everything. Also, for stockpile, we got some, you can see back here, you can see these at the bottom right here. These are sardines. Oh my gosh. These are sardines, y'all. So these are really good to keep for your stockpile. They last a really long time and they are lawful. So definitely go and check out your local Costco for sardines. But that's about it for my grocery haul, y'all. It wasn't a lot, and Finney's tearing up the kitchen now, so I gotta go. Shalom.